Hello guys, today at History and Toys we got Dora the Explorer, Dora's Mystery of the Missing Shoes. Do you want to read with us today? Come read with us. Hi, I'm Dora. I love playing in the sandbox at the play park. The sand tickles my toes. Swiper likes play park too. Swiper wants to roller skate here, but something is missing. What is missing?
His skate.
Swiper is missing a skate. Good job, Lottie. Look, my sneaker is gone. We have to find the skate and the sneaker. We will be detectives to solve the mystery. First, we need to check map. Map says that the skate and the sneaker are in the field. We need to go through the cave and across the pond. Through the cave and across the pond will get us to the field. Can we go, Lottie? Backpack, backpack. Backpack has everything we need to be detectives. Can you find a magnifying glass? Where's the magnifying glass at? Right here. We need the magnifying glass to find the tiny rocks to lead the way to the cave. Which ones are the tiny rocks? Good job! That go right into a cave. The cave is dark. I see a shadow. Who could it be? Who is it? It's Boots. What is Boots missing? Boots is missing a
Shoe.
his boot. We made it to the pond. Look at the waves. Who's making the waves? Benny. Benny is making the waves. Benny is swimming. What is Benny missing?
Who's missing that?
His flipper?
Mm-hmm.
Benny is missing his flipper. Boots is missing his boot. Swiper is missing his skate, and I am missing my sneaker. We have to get to the field to solve the mystery. Do you see the field? Do you see it?
Yeah, I see it.
Here, we're at the field. I see hay, cows, and wagons. Look closely. Do you see a skate, a sneaker, a boot, and a flipper?
Yeah.
Where? Oh, who has them on? Ah! Who is wearing the skate, sneaker, boot, and flipper? It's a little horsey. The skate, sneaker, boot, and flipper got stuck on a horse feet. It was a mistake. We solved the mystery. Look at them peeking over.
Yeah.
They're funny.
Yeah.
The horse needs her own shoes. Do you see 4 horseshoes? There they are. There's the right shoes. Oh, look, there's more. 1, 2, 3. Do you see another horseshoe, Lottie?
I don't know. See.
On the cow.
On the cow.
See the horseshoes? I found them. The horse is happy to have her own horseshoes. We're glad to have our own things back. Thanks for helping.
Gracias.
Gracias. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Kids Dream Toys.
Toys.